Hey guys, Pete Sohm over here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. We're going to do a quick walkthrough today on our newly traded in 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This boat is powered by twin white Mercury 300s. We're about 89 hours on the engine. We have our dune colored interior here with our loungers that articulate up and down, giving you back support. Sea deck on the swim platform that will continue all the way through the cockpit. Extended sunshade here with opening. We have our table in place right now. Beautiful L-shaped seating right here. On the starboard side, we'll have our grill, our sink, and fridge. You can kind of see those blue LEDs right now. Making our way over to the port side, we have a double wide companion seat right here with bolster. You can actually spin this around, and then we can face it forward. Making our way to the helm, twin Simrad displays. Again, because we have the twin Mercury 300s, we do have Axios joystick with skyhook, which I'll engage right now. Again, locking us into position, kind of like a digital anchor. Our head compartment, the canvas is in there right now. Bow and cockpit, excuse me. And then finally making our way up here into the bow. Again, plenty of space up here for lounging. We have armrests on both sides. Spot for another table there. We have our spotlight and our windlass control, which can be controlled from right here and from at the helm. All right, guys, again, 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard available here at MarineMax Brick. I'll see you on the water.